Good morning, students. How are you? Fine. Today we will start our exercise 9.2. In this exercise, our first question is total number of animals in 5 villages are given as follows. Village A has 80 animals, village B has 120 animals, village C has 90 animals, village D has 40 animals, and village E has 60 animals. Prepare a pictograph. We have to prepare a pictograph for the representation of this data and one symbol circle with cross to represent 10 animals. और ये एक सिंबल जो है ये 10 एनिमल को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए यूज करना है. एंड देन आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. The questions are: how many symbols to represent the animals of the village E? Which village has maximum number of animals and which village has more animals, village A or village C? So first of all, we are going to make a pictograph for this data. Here we have to write villages. Villages are A, B, C, D, E, and then here the number of animals. Now village A has how many animals? 80 animals. So we have to represent this scale to represent 10 animals. This is the scale for this pictograph. A represent 80 animals. So 80 animals के लिए हमें यहाँ पर बनाने होंगे सर्कल विद क्रॉस 8 symbols. 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. Village B में है 120 animals, so we have to make 12 circles with cross. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. Village C has 90 animals, so we have to make the 9 circles with a cross. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one more 9. Next village D has 40 animals, so we have to make 4 circle with cross. Now village E has 60 animals. Now we have to make 6 circle with cross, because this symbol is used here to mark 10 animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we have to answer the following questions. First question is, how many symbols represent animal of village E? Village E में कितने symbols यूज किए? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we use here 6 symbol. Which village has maximum number of animals? Which village has maximum number of animals? Village B. How many? 20 animals. 120 animals. Village C or village A. Which village has more animals? Village A or village C? Village A के पास animals हैं 80 and village C के पास animals हैं 90. So which village has more animals? Village C. So which village has maximum number of animals? 120. In village B. हमें village का नाम भी लिखना है. So village B is the answer. Now question number 2. Total number of the student in different year of a school is shown in this table. Here the years are 96, 1998, 2000, 2002 and then 2004. The total number of the students in 1996 is 400. 1998 there are 535 students. In 2000 472 students. In 2002 it has 600 students, and in 2004 there are 623 students. So our first question is prepare a pictograph using the symbol this to represent 100 students. अब 100 students को represent करने के लिए हमें ये symbol use करना है. Okay, and answer the following questions. How many symbols represent the total number of students in the year 2002? How many symbols represents total number of students in year 1998? So first of all we have to represent a pictograph, and in the part number 2 prepare another pictograph using another symbols. So first one, for the A, make a pictograph in which we have to make years, write the years 1998, and here the number of students, and the symbol represent 100 students. Okay, so 400 students is represented by 4 such a symbol. So 400 students के लिए 4 symbols. Now in 1996, sorry, this first one is 1996, second one is 1998. We have 535 students. So for 500 students we have to make 5 symbols. One, two, three, four, 5, and more than 500. So we have to make some half portion of this. In 2000 there are 472 symbols. Symbols. Okay, in 2002 we have 600 students, so we have to make 6 symbols. One, two, three, four, 5, 6. In 2004 we have to make 623 students के लिए representation बनाना है, तो 6 symbol and 1 half. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, and this one is half. So now it becomes 600 and something. This is the pictograph using this symbol, given symbol, and you have to given the answers of these questions. Now the answers, हमने इसका पिक्टोग्राफ बना दिया, अब हम इसके आंसर देंगे. इसके आंसर्स हमारे पास क्या है? How many symbols represent total number of student in 2002? 2002 में टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट कितने हैं? हाउ मेनी सिंबल्स यूज, पहले नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स कितने 2002 में 600, और कितने सिंबल यूज किए हमने 1 2 3 4 5 6, हाउ मेनी सिंबल्स वी यूज हियर 6 सिंबल्स. हाउ मेनी सिंबल्स टू रिप्रेजेंट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट इन 1998. 1998 में कितने सिंबल्स हमने यूज किए हैं, हाउ मेनी सिंबल्स, वी हैव यूज्ड 5 कंप्लीट एंड 1 हाफ. सो 5 कंप्लीट हमारे पास यूज हुए हैं और एक हाफ यूज हुआ है. 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 1 हाफ. यू कैन से 5 कंप्लीट 1 इनकम्प्लीट और 1 हाफ. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर अनदर पिक्टोग्राफ with another symbols. We can use any other symbol also. Let us make it. Now we will use another symbol to make a different pictograph for the same table. हमने एक सिंबल यूज किया है जिसमें सर्कल है, सर्कल के अंदर स्क्वायर है, स्क्वायर के अंदर 4 बॉक्सेस हो गए हैं. सो it represent 100 students. So almost each box represent 25 students. So almost आप इसके हिसाब से इसको कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. So let us make it. First year, यहाँ पे years, then number of students. Years 1996. नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट कितने हैं 400. सो 4 सिंबल्स 1 2 3 एंड 4. इजी, वेरी इजी. नेक्स्ट वन 1998 535. सो 500 के लिए 5 सिंबल्स. ओके, now 500 and something, 550 से कम है. This symbol represent 50. This complete represent 100. हमने 100 से हाफ किया. This represent 50. अब ये 50 के आसपास है, 50 से भी थोड़ा कम है, तो हम अज्यूम कर लेते हैं 25. सो एक सिंबल बनेगा. 2000 के लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे 472. 4 सिंबल्स कंप्लीट. और इसमें नेक्स्ट भी थोड़ा हाफ ले सकते हो आप इसमें. नेक्स्ट हाफ, नेक्स्ट नॉट कंप्लीट. नाउ 1 2 3 4 कंप्लीट. और जो नेक्स्ट है उसमें 4 पोर्शन से हमारे पास 100 हो रहा है, तो एक पोर्शन हटाएंगे. नाउ इट इज 75. अब 75 कंप्लीट नहीं है, इसलिए इसे भी हम थोड़ा ओपन रख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन 2002 600. फिक्स 6 सिंबल बनेंगे इसमें. नेक्स्ट 2004 में 6 कंप्लीट है हमारे पास. आफ्टर दैट अगर 25 होता सो हमें 1/4 लेना होता है सिंबल का. बट यहां पर क्या है हमारे पास 25 से थोड़ा लेस है, तो 1 जो बॉक्स है वो भी कंप्लीट नहीं है. ओके, सो नाउ दिस इज द रिप्रेजेंटेशन फॉर द अनदर रिप्रेजेंटेशन फॉर द सेम टेबल. हमने यहां पर ये सिंबल लिया है, आप कोई और भी सिंबल ले सकते हो as you like to represent the same in the pictograph. Okay, thank you.